A male Buller's albatross waits for his mate. Each year they spend 6 months apart, travelling the ocean. They reunite here to breed. But this year, she's late. No, that's not her. The other birds come and go. The clock is ticking. If she doesn't appear soon, it will be too late for them to breed successfully. Every morning, the shearwaters fly off to collect food for their young. Everybody else seems to be getting on with it. The shearwaters' return marks another lost day. There are 3 million birds on the island, but only one matters to him. Could this be her? At last. At first, he's a little coy. But not for long. They greet each other with the special dance they perfected over many years. There is much to do if they're to raise a chick before winter returns. But when you've been apart for 6 months, some things can't be rushed.